Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Will Garner, and YouTube just dropped something massive that's about to change the content creation game forever. If you're a creator, entrepreneur, or anyone really who's building a brand online, you need to hear this right now. So, YouTube is rolling out automatic dubbing for all creators. That means your videos will automatically be translated into multiple languages with AI generated voice tracks. That's huge. No extra work, no expensive translation services, no barriers between you and a global audience. So think about that for a second. Your message, your hustle, your content, now reaching people in Spain, Brazil, Japan, Germany, France. Well, I'm talking to people right now in Brazil based on this video. This is the kind of leveling up moment that separates entrepreneurs who scale from those who stay stuck. So here's exactly what's happening. First, YouTube is automatically enabling this feature on channels in the coming weeks. You don't have to do anything, they're handling it. Second, when you upload new videos, YouTube will automatically generate dubbed audio tracks in different languages. So over time, they might go back and dub some of your old content. I sure hope they do. Third, you have full control. You don't want auto dubbing? Fine. Turn it off in your channel settings under upload defaults and then go to the advanced settings. Want to review dubs before they go live? You can do that also in the YouTube studio. Now let me tell you why this matters. For years, language has been the biggest barrier to global reach. You could have the best real estate tips, the dopest tax strategies, the most fire business advice, but if someone in Mexico City or Mumbai couldn't understand you, your impact stopped at the border. Well, not anymore. This is about accessibility. This is about opportunity. This is about taking your one piece of content and multiplying its reach by 10x, 20x, maybe even 100x. Let me give you a real world example. So, I'm the CEO of New Century Advisors. We do real estate, insurance, tax services, and we also do consulting as well through my other website, sportygarner.com. My YouTube content teaches people how to flip houses, build wealth, scale businesses. Right now, my audience is mostly English speaking, but imagine if someone in Colombia, which is one of my favorite places to go, who's trying to break into the real estate game, could hear my flip method in Spanish, or someone in France learning about the Boss Moves tax program in French or Vietnamese. That's not just more views, that's true impact. That's impact on others' lives. That's also more revenue opportunities for potential entrepreneurs who are just trying to break into the game. Here's what smart entrepreneurs are going to do with this. First, they're going to create once and distribute globally. You make one video, YouTube does the heavy lifting. Your content works for you in dozens of markets simultaneously. That's leverage. Second, tap into underserved markets. While everyone's fighting for attention in English-speaking markets, you're building authority in Portuguese, Hindi, Arabic, Korean, whatever your expertise is needed. Third, build international partnerships. When your content reaches global audiences, collaboration opportunities follow. Joint ventures, affiliate deals, franchise partnerships, all because you're visible worldwide and people are now able to connect with you. Fourth, future-proof your brand. The internet is global. Your business should be too. This feature puts you ahead of 90% of creators who are still going to be thinking locally. Now, what should you do right now? First, keep creating quality content. The better your original content, the better dub versions will perform. The next step, check your YouTube studio in the coming weeks. Once auto dubbing is enabled, review how it sounds. Make sure the translations capture your message accurately. Third, optimize your titles and descriptions for international SEO. Use tools like Google Translate to add multilingual words. Fourth, engage with your new international audience. Respond to comments in different languages. Use translation tools just like Google Translate if needed. Build those relationships. And fifth, think strategically. What products or services can you offer globally? Digital courses, consulting, affiliate programs. These scale internationally. So look, I've been in this game long enough to know when something is a real opportunity versus just hype. This is real. This is game changing. YouTube is handing you the keys to a global audience. No extra costs, no technical headaches, just pure expansion potential. The question is, are you going to take advantage of it? Because while most people are sleeping on this, the hustlers, the builders, the empire creators, they're already planning how to dominate in 20 different languages. Don't let language barriers limit your legacy. Your message deserves to be heard worldwide. Your business deserves to scale globally. And now, YouTube just made it easier than ever. If this video helped you see the opportunity, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me what language you're excited most to reach. Let's build something global together. I'm Will Garner, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay hungry, stay focused, and remember, your empire has no borders. And like they say, the world is like a book, and those that don't travel never get past the first page.